Next we are taking here the example of the BT application in the different crops. First is the BT crops. BT crops means which consist of BT toxin. This BT toxin is a type of protein. And what stands for this BT? BT stands for Bacillus thuringiensis. This is the name of bacteria from which this BT toxin is produced, and this protein acts as insecticide. Insecticide means the protein produced from this Bacillus thuringiensis is an insecticide. If some insect feed on it, then the insect get killed due to this activation of the BT toxin present in it. This BT toxin produced by this Bacillus thuringiensis, and the scientist made the different crop from insect resistant by introducing this BT toxin into the host plants. Let us start with the how the different scientists introduced this type of the BT toxin into the different plants. First of all, this Bacillus thuringiensis consists of a gene which is named as the cry gene. This cry gene produces a protein which is named as crystal protein. This crystal protein is inactive in its production. Bacillus thuringiensis will produce this protein at the different stage of their life. अपनी लाइफ के डिफरेंट स्टेजेस पर इस प्रोटीन को प्रोड्यूस करता है, एंड दैट प्रोटीन बिहेव्स लाइक एन इंसेक्टिसाइडल प्रोटीन. तो साइंटिस्ट ने एक स्ट्रेटेजी को यूज किया कि इस बीटी बैक्टीरिया से क्राई जीन को अगर निकाल कर किसी होस्ट प्लांट में इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया जाए, then the plant can be safe from the different types of insects. Plants को different insects या पेस्ट से इन्फेस्टेशन से बचाया जा सकता है. तो साइंटिस्ट ने क्या किया कि क्राई जीन को वहां से आइसोलेट किया और उसे किसी स्पेसिफिक वेक्टर के थ्रू प्लांट के अंदर इंसर्ट कर दिया. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपेंस, द क्राई जीन इंसर्टेड इनटू प्लांट में, होस्ट प्लांट में क्राई जीन को इंसर्ट कर दिया. आफ्टर दैट द क्रिस्टल प्रोटीन प्रोड्यूस्ड, और वहां पर क्रिस्टल प्रोटीन प्रोड्यूस होगा. अब जब कोई भी लार्वा, किसी भी स्पेसिफिक इंसेक्ट का लार्वा जब लीव्स को या प्लांट के किसी भी पार्ट को च्यू करता है, देन द प्रोटीन एक्ट और प्रोटीन गेट्स एक्टिवेटेड, और उसकी बॉडी में जाते ही प्रोटीन एक्टिवेटेड हो गया. वाई? ड्यू टू द alkaline pH, because the gut of that insect or the larva consists of alkaline pH in gut. उसकी alimentary canal में alkaline pH वहां present है. Then the protein get activated, so it cause the pore formation in epithelial layer. उसकी एपिथेलियल लेयर में स्पोर फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है, विच कोज स्वेलिंग एंड डेथ ऑफ लार्वा की डेथ हो जाती है. तो इस नोवेल स्ट्रेटेजी को यूज करके साइंटिस्ट ने क्या किया कि क्राई जीन को प्लांट में इंसर्ट कर दिया. बजाय कि प्लांट पर किसी पेस्टिसाइड को यूज करने के, प्लांट खुद से एक क्रिस्टल प्रोटीन प्रोड्यूस करता है. In plant, it is in inactive stage when it comes, but when it enters into the gut of the caterpillar, then due to the alkaline pH, this get activated, and due to this activation, the pore formation takes place. Due to the activation of this alkaline pH, the pore formation takes place in the epithelial tissue, which cause the swelling and the death of the organism takes place. Now, different types of insects can be made resistant to infect on the plants, consisting of the variety Lepidopteran. Lepidopterans consist of tobacco, budworm and armyworm. Second type is Coleopteran, consists of beetles, and third is Dipterans. Dipterans consist of flies and mosquitoes. Means we can make the plant resistant to all these types of the different insects by making them the GM crops, like the BT cotton, BT maize, different varieties we can produce from them. Now there are two different types of crygene, depending upon the prevention of the infestation by the pest. Crygene 1 AC and Cry 2 AB that controls cotton bollworm, and the Cry 1 AB control corn borer. By using these different types of gene, we can prevent the infestation of the different pathogens. Now, the examples of the BT crop: BT cotton, BT corn, BT tomato, BT potato, and BT rice. So many crops are used here which are made pest resistant or the insect resistant, so that insect resistant by the different biotechnological application. Take a review: the crygene that produce a crystal protein which is in inactive stage. When the caterpillar feeds on that plant part, then the inactive protoxin goes into the activated form, and which cause the pore formation in the epithelial layer, so that the swelling in the membrane takes place and the death of insect. This is the first application of the biotechnology in agriculture. In the